Hey guys, Eric here with Project DIY. We have something for you guys that I've put together. I've got a bunch of different shirts and things I've put together. A lot of it is it's kind of comedy type stuff for most of it, but some of it's kind of to do with contracting and things like that. So I'm going to show you guys these shirts. I have almost everything is in men and women's. There's one shirt that's not. My wife says she would not wear that shirt. I'm going to show you what it is. Some of them I even have in toddler shirts because they're good, kind of like the shirt I'm wearing right here, you can see. It says, honestly, I'll tell you when I'm lying. That's a great one for a toddler or a kid because you know what? They're not going to tell you when they're lying. It's a joke. But so here's our first one that we have, the one I'm wearing. Okay, they're in lots of different colors. Here's another one that I've made. Here's Project DIY. And then on the back, my famous saying, why hire a guy when you can DIY? Okay, this is in a green. Like I said, you can get this in all kinds of other colors. Then we're gonna go down to, you can get these in hoodies as well, long sleeve shirts, all kinds of different stuff. Here's one I've made with a square. It's a triangle, but it's called a square. It's a funny thing, isn't it? It's a triangle, but they call it a square. All right, here's one. Here is the one that my wife said she would not wear, okay? She's like, it's a funny shirt. She said, but I'm not wearing that shirt. You want the bubble in the middle, right? I told her, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna make a special women's edition. I'm gonna put it on the back. Think about it. Here we go, here's another one. Your work is like your word, make it worth something. When you do your work, you won't be able to put your name on it. Be like, I did that, yeah, that looks like garbage. Well, who wants to claim that? So make your work worth something. And here's another one. This is another hoodie. Nothing to it but to do it. You know what? There's no way you're gonna get it done if you don't just do it. So you gotta get in there, you gotta get it done. That's why I tell you guys all the time. You know what? Some of my videos, if you watch them, you're gonna learn something, and you know what? You're never going to be able to do it if you don't at least give it a try. Guys, I hope you all will check some of this merchandise out. For the first month, I'm gonna have 10% off, so it'll be good Christmas presents. Maybe some of these you see and be like, I know somebody that would love these. I got an uncle I'm giving one of these shirts to tonight. I know he's gonna think it's hilarious. So we're gonna have 10% off for the first month, so go check that out. You put your order in, it's gonna ship straight to you. I don't have to see it, I don't know who you are. I'm not getting any of your information or anything, okay? So it's gonna go straight through there. So guys, I hope you would check out some of this merchandise, get it, wear it, and hey, remember, like I always say, why hire a guy when you can DIY? Thanks for watching.